Hi guys, Mayra here at Phillips Chevy in Frankfort. Today I wanted to show you guys how to use your Multipro Tailgate here. This is a 2019 GMC Sierra, but this is also available on the new Silverado, so it's really cool actually. One of the options that you have, if you hit this top button, this top part will come down and now you can use this as a workbench. This is great if you are in construction or anything like that. You can put this thing down and give quick estimates. Amazing. There's a little push here, and if you put this up, now this acts like a load stopper. So if you have a big load, this gives you extra cargo room in the tailgate here. Go ahead and put that up. One of the really popular cool ones. Well, I'll show you guys the more basic one. Another one is just putting it down like a regular truck here. And if you lift this back up here, this is another acting as a load stopper again. If you have like big bikes or anything like that, that's ideal. It'll keep your load safe, so you don't have to worry about anything rolling out. Now I'll show you guys the really cool one. So if you hit the bottom and the top at the same time, now this actually acts as it's easier access to pick out anything in your bed here, which is really nice. And then you can put this guy down here, and now you have your step. This is really cool. This is popular with the kids. Everybody loves it. And here you can actually put speakers or any LED lights, great for tailgating. Something actually really cool here too, you have this bar which you can pop up and you can use it as an assist to actually get into the bed. This is actually really good for a lot of customers, especially if you're not super mobile anymore. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys. If you guys have any other questions about how any of this works, please give us a call at 815-469-2323, extension 1 for sales. Thank you.